Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add image in Miro Board creatively. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button. After that, log in using your email or Google account. Then, from the dashboard, click on the board you want to work on. Over here, click the upload button from the toolbar. After that, click on my device. Then select the image from your computer and click open. Over here, click the upload button in Miro. Alternatively, click upload via URL and paste the image link. Then click OK to add the image. You can also drag and drop an image directly onto the board. After that, adjust the placement and size of the image. Then use tools like text, annotations, or stickers to enhance the image. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.